Today I will discuss set theory. Let us start an example. 63% of a student in a college like hill stations. 76% of the student like seashore. Calculate how many like both. The question says that in a college there are 63% of students like hill stations, while 76% of students like to see seashore. We have to calculate how many like both. Here we consider universal set, number of element in universal set taken as 100. Number of set for hill station denoted by NH. This is equal to 63, and number of student for seashore denoted by NS equal to 76. Let both H intersection H be X. Now using the relation NH union S, NH NS minus NH intersection S. That is 63, 73 and X. This will equal to NH union S. We know that NA union B always less than equal to N universal set. Applying this inequality here, this will equal to 100. 63 plus 73 minus X less than equal to 100. After solving this, we get X should be greater than equal to 39. Again, we know that NA intersection B always less than equal to NA and always less than equal to NB. Using this information, NH intersection S always less than NH, that is 63, and NH intersection S always less than NS, that is 76. From here we conclude that NH intersection S is less than equal to 63, that is X is less than equal to 63. Therefore, our answer is X should be greater than equal to 39 and less than equal to 63. This is our answer. I repeat the question again. Please listen carefully. In a college, 63% of students like to see hill stations, we denoted as NH, and 76% of students like to see seashore, I denoted here as NS. We have to find out how many students like both. Here we take an universal set as a 100. Now using the formula NH union S, that will equal to NH plus NS minus H and H intersection S. This will equal to 6373X, because I suppose NH intersection as X. From here we again use a fundamental that always N A union B is less than equal to N universal set. Therefore, N A union B is less than equal to 100. That is, this will equal to less than 100. From here we get X is greater than 39. Again we use the property that N A intersection B, that is the number of N A intersection B, means that is the number of element in the set A intersection B. This will equal to less than equal to NA and NB. Therefore, NH intersection S should be less than NS, that is 63, and NH intersection less than 76. From here we conclude that NH intersection S is 63. That is, X is less than 63. Therefore, now our conclusion is X will greater than 39 and less than equal to 63. I take another example. Please see. There are 10,000 peoples . 40% of the people like product A. 20% like product B. 10% like product C. 5% like product A and B. 3% like product B and C. 4% like product C and A. This is the question. Now the question says that we have to calculate 2% like both. 2% like A, B and C, all three. Now the question says that from this information we have to obtain the number of people like A only, number of people like B only, and number of people does not like all three. That is, that we have to find out the number of people which do not like all three products. This is the question. अब देखिए ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं इनको हम वेन डायग्राम से करेंगे. इस इंफॉर्मेशन को हम वेन डायग्राम पर अप्लाई करेंगे. देखिएगा कैसे करते हैं. हम इनवर्सल सेट को लेंगे 10,000। Number of element for set A, that is 40% of 10,000. This will equal to 4,000. Similarly, number of element in set B, that is 20% of 10,000, that will equal to 2,000. For C, 10%, that will equal to 1,000. For A intersection B, that will equal to 5%, this will equal to 500. B intersection C, that will equal to 3%, 300. C intersection A, that will equal to 4%, this will equal to 400. And A intersection B intersection C, that is 2% of 10,000, this will equal to 200. Now we use the Venn diagram. Please see, using this information, ये यूनिवर्सल सेट हो गया, ये सेट ए हो गया, ये सेट बी हो गया, ये सेट सी हो गया। अब आपको दिया गया है, इसमें जो है हम लोग ये जो है बीच वाला पोर्शन, दिस डिनोटेड द पोर्शन ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इंटरसेक्शन सी। तो फर्स्ट वी फिल दिस विल इक्वल टू 200। Now the question says that C and A have 400. अब 400 में 200 यूज हो गए, this is 200. B and C 300, उसमें से 200 ये हो गए 100. A and B 500, इसमें से 200 ये हो गए 300. आप देखिए, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट सेट ए में कितने थे? 4000, और ये यहां पर यूज हो गए 2 + 2 + 3, that is 700, minus from 4000, that is 3700. Similarly, number of student in B, that is 2000. अब 2000 में कितना यूज हो गया? 2 3 5 6, तो यहां पर बचे 1400. सी में कितने थे? 1000, कितने यूज हो गए? 2 2 400 500, that is 500. तो अब ये आपका क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गया। आपसे पूछा गया था हाउ मेनी लाइक द प्रोडक्ट ए ओनली। Your answer is this, 3700. 3700 like product A only. How many like product B? That is 1400. इसके बाद आपसे थर्ड पार्ट में पूछा गया था कि ऐसे कितने हैं कि जो इन तीनों प्रोडक्ट को लाइक नहीं करते हैं। तो हम इन सब ये जितने नंबर्स हैं इनको एड अप कर लेंगे। जब आप इनको एड अप करेंगे तो आपका आंसर आएगा 6000। ये वैल्यू होगी नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन ए यूनियन बी यूनियन सी। ये 3700 300 200 200 100 500 1400 इनको जब एड अप करेंगे तो आंसर आएगा 6000। अब आप यूनिवर्सल सेट में 10,000 में -6,000 कर देंगे तो दिस विल इक्वल टू 4,000। तो 4,000 ये हमारा यहां पर आ जाएगा बाहर। दैट इज देयर आर 4,000 पीपुल which do not like any product A, B and C. Okay? Okay.